Hi, my name's Rachel and I'm working at Endurance, and I would like to show you the power of refactoring source code in IntelliJ IDEA. I'm going to base on a well-known refactoring kit, Gilded Rose kit, and I love it because not only it's a very small kit with a big number of ways to solve it, but also you can practice Golden Master technique in order to create a safety net before refactoring. That first step is out of the scope of this screencast, but I encourage you to try it with this post by Sanu Mancuso on our website. This screencast is an intermediate step between Golden Master and getting a clear conditional to be replaced by polymorphisms. So let's go. Let's start with refactoring steps after having a safety net of test. So this is my safety net, and although you can see 240 tests, they are really only 8 parameterized tests. Okay, so here I have a long for loop with a lot of conditions, and I would like to simplify it. So first step, I'm going to replace for with for each. Okay, simpler. Next step, I'm going to change these negative conditions with positive conditions. So I'm going to use this option, invert if condition. Okay, now here I have two conditions, so I'm going to extract the first one, simpler, and I'm going to change all the negative conditions with this option, invert if condition. Wait. Next step. Here I'm comparing name with h3, and here I'm comparing name with a different string, so our IDE realizes that this piece of source code is dead, so I can remove it. Right. I'm going to pass the test, and everything is okay. Right. Here I'm comparing name with the same string twice, but our IDE doesn't realize about it, so I'm going to remove it. Format, pass the test, and everything is okay. Right. Next step. I'm going to simplify these operations with quality, changing the operators. So here I'm going to replace the operator and it's less verbose. Here, simplify. Right. Next step. Here I'm increasing quality. If quality is less than 50, here the same operation with same condition. Again, the same here. And another place increasing quality with the same condition. Okay, so I would like to extract a method with these 3 lines, but I have a problem with this one because this condition has 2 conditions inside, but I can see it's the same operation after comparing selling, so I can finish the first condition here and everything is okay. Right. So now I can extract a method. Increase item quality. Yes, please. Thank you. Now here I'm decreasing quality if quality is greater than 0. Increasing quality in case quality is greater than 0. So I would like to extract another method, and I'm going to change the condition. Wait. And here the same, because here I'm comparing name and continue, so cool. Okay, so now I can extract a method. In this case, decrease item quality. Yes, please. Great. Okay, my goal is to get a clear conditional, so I'm going to try replace if with switch. Okay, but I don't like this if inside, so undo, and I can't fix it if I merge else if. And now again replace if with switch. Okay. Fix it. And now I would like to have the same. Oh, I don't have the option. Okay, so here the same, merge else if, and now I can replace, and I have this condition, so undo, and I'm comparing name here, increasing quality, comparing name here, updating quality, comparing name and continue, so I can move this one, the beginning, adding an else, right, and now I can replace if with switch, right, very very clear now. Okay, and this condition I'm going to remove braces, and now I'm going to move it inside here, here, with every case condition. So great. And now I have two clear switch statements and a piece of source code updating selling. I'm decreasing selling here, and I'm comparing selling with 11 and 6. Okay, but if I read the test of the Kata for backstage, quality increases by 2 when there are 10 days or less, and by 3 when there are 5 days or less. So I can see 10 days, 5 days instead of 11 and 6, and I would like to have the same quantities in the test of the Kata and in my source code in order to get a better understanding. So I'm going to move this piece of source code in the beginning, and now I'm going to update these quantities, and great, everything is okay. So it's clear. Here I'm updating selling, and here two switch statements updating quality. So I'm going to join these two switch statements, and nothing here. Case age breed, it's here. Backstage, sorry. And default. Okay, so that's it. Now I have a clear condition here updating selling, and a clear conditional that can be replaced by polymorphism. So this is the goal of this screencast. Thank you for your attention, and see you. Bye.